Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we are looking at a spring summer Yankee candle selection that I have picked out because these are going to be some key transitional scents to get that spring summer started, and especially with the weather here in England. It is sometimes always rainy. Sometimes you just want to have a candle on and just get that like scent and invigorate your room with some of that nice tropicalness. So I have some fun ones here to showcase to you guys. So we have a selection here of pinks, blues and peaches. I want to say the colors are. They're very similar in colorways. So we're going to start off with one of my favorite new ones that I haven't smelled before. This is the medium one. Oh my god, this is called the Last Paradise, and this is what this one looks. I will include a little clip of what they're all like, but this one is so nice. This one's very fresh, tropical smelling. It smells like you just stepped off a plane somewhere really nice and tropical, and there's just loads of nice wildflowers nearby and you can smell them all in the air. That's what this one's like. Now, not only did I get this in the medium size candle like this one right here, I did get it in the 12 tea light ones as well, and I think the packaging on these boxes are amazing. I love how they are packaged. These are really nice. I got them at a really good price as well. They just look like these ones here. They're just small little petite little tea light candles. These are great if you have like a candle holder that you want to put them in, and they just fit that. The smell alone will just make you want to go on holiday, to be honest. I love them, and the colors are really nice too, and they have a very sturdy little pot that they come in, so they won't burn or anything. So if you have a little tea light holder you want to put them in or something, and you just want to get the extra nice scent that the Yankee candle range is famous and great for, and you wanted it in the Island Paradise one, like definitely check these out. I have a small one here because there wasn't a medium and there wasn't a large of this one, but this is called the Beach Escape, and this is one of the blue turquoise ones, and this one's a bit burnt. But this one smells like you are literally on a beach somewhere. It's kind of salty. Kind of got that salty beach air mixed in with a little bit of a fragrance, which I really like. And I think this is just one of those nice scents to have on in the evening, especially as the sun sets as well. It's quite nice and quite relaxing and tranquil. So I think if you want to have a vibe in your house, get the Beach Escape one. I also got them in the tea lights as well, because I have a nice little tea light holder to use them in. And these ones are just like the nice little turquoise blue color. Do you know what? The smaller they are, the more intense the smell is, I noticed. That one's quite nice. I do love that one. So if you want something like a nice beachy scent, these are quite nice. The Beach Escape set is a classic, and it's the pink sands. It's very fruity. It's kind of sweet in the respect, like it's a candy type smell, but it's definitely one of those ones you should definitely go for. It's a really nice, fresh, a little bit fruity kind of smell to it. I know my mom really likes this one as well. We have the cherry blossom one, which I've never smelled before. Literally smells like a cherry blossom plant. That's exactly how it smells. Can't really tell you any more than that. If you like cherry blossoms, you're gonna love the mini of this one. The next one is Moonlit Cove. This one's a bit more musky. It's a little bit more masculine tone smell. It's kind of like got that cologne aftershavey smell, but it's got that hint of like a cologne meets a beach air. So it's like if you're on the beach and you just sprayed like a fragrance, you kind of get that mix of the saltiness into that as well. I do like this one as well. That one is the Moonlit Cove. Last one, which I've never smelled this one before, but when I saw like the front of it, which is the Cliffside Sunrise, even the photography alone kind of like draws you into some of these candles. And I was like, I want to know what that smells like. It smells literally just what it says. It's like a sunrise smell, but it's got like a strawberry kind of hint to it. Yeah, kind of like a strawberry sunrise, like the actual like alcoholic drink. If you never had a strawberry sunrise, they're really fun. I love that one. It's very fruity, but like fresh. It's a fresh, fruity scent, more like strawberry based, I want to say. Maybe with like a hint of watermelon in there. Kind of like that very fresh and like hydrating kind of smell. So I do like this Cliffside Sunrise. I think that's gonna be a nice one to burn. Overall, these are some really great summer and spring transitional scents. I don't know, my favorite one has to be, I think, the Last Paradise. It just really got a hold on me. It's just a really nice floral, fresh scent. I just like that one. It's like if all the flowers were just like blooming at once. and you could just smell like a range around you of blooming scents that is fresh and just like freshly watered. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed this little Yankee candle haul of some of my favorites that I have picked out for summer and spring this year. I go through them quite a lot, so it's quite nice to have an extra few just to have burning around on those rainy days or cold days, because we're gonna have some cold days coming up, I think. So it's just nice to get the ambiance in the room of hitting spring. Same for summer too. We just have the worst summers here in the UK. So that's it for me, guys. Let me know what you have been buying. Any candles, Bath and Body Works, anywhere that you can get candles from. I don't know, any fun candles. Is there something you're looking for? Is there any particular scents that you are fond of that I should try? Leave them down below in the comment section and I'll try and get back to you. Remember to smash the like button so you can help grow the channel some more, so we can do more of these fun little videos. And also remember, when you subscribe, to turn that notification bell on so you're notified of any fun content, any giveaways or anything cool of the sort. You will be the first to know. And that is pretty much it for me, guys. I hope you have an awesome day wherever you may be, and until next time, bye-bye. So the video you're just watching has just ended, but don't worry, you can go watch one of my old videos right here, or you can go and subscribe right here and be notified when my next video comes out so you don't have to miss any of the action. So thank you and goodbye.